hello, fellow vintage lovers. I wanted to shoot this short little haul today before my live sale with Jen at Jen Eats and Gina Vintage Sticks on her channel. It's going to be at 5:30 Eastern, 4:30 Central, 2:30 p.m. Pacific. And we're just going to have a lot of fun. Show you guys some amazing items. Some of these items will be in the sale today. But I had to show you guys what I got. It was quite an adventure, and I'm curious for all of you in the DFW area. Did you go to any estate sales today? Did you find anything good? I am super curious to find out. I had a good day, but it was a lot of work. One of the estate sales I went to was described as being a hoarder house, and they weren't kidding. There was a lot of digging. There was a lot of just random things out in the house that were dirty and broken, you know, that kind of stuff. And I'm not one to shy away from digging. Believe me, I've done my good share of it. But this place was it was almost too dirty for me. I know it sounds crazy, but I had a really hard time staying in there very long because even with my mask on, the stench was pretty bad. And I felt very sorry for the workers for the estate sale that were in there. I'm hoping that they got to take breaks and go outside. It was like the house had not been opened in decades. That's probably the best way to describe it. But I did find a few things in there, and I have just now gotten home and I've cleaned off a few things. I actually went to 3 estate sales total. The first one, which was the closest to me, was a total bust. They didn't have a lot. There were only a few rooms open in the house, and it was another cash-only situation where it really wasn't worth my while to go get cash to only spend like $10 or $12. I don't like those situations. I truly wish that estate sale companies would accept PayPal or Venmo or the Cash app if they don't accept actual cash, because the fact of the matter is most of us don't walk around with a lot of cash. And a lot of this is on me. I should have learned my lesson a long time ago and started getting, you know, cash out, you know, once a week or during the week, so I have enough to hit garage sales and estate sales that don't take card. But it's just kind of a hassle for me. Ever since I've gotten a debit card, I just really don't have cash unless I know that I'm going to be in a situation where I have to pay with actual cash. So having said all of that, I hope everybody's having a good Thursday, and let me just show you guys what I got. Now, of course, probably the coolest thing I got is this. This is a Mexican pottery manger scene. Now, it came with this manger. I'm not sure if they were originally sold together, probably not, but I think they look fantastic. I'm probably not going to move these figurines very much because I don't want anything to topple over, but this set is absolutely phenomenal. Let me show you Mary so you can see some of the beautiful hand-painted details on her. Now, these are like a lavender or a very light purple color. Just absolutely phenomenal. Now, I'm not sure if these will be something that's offered in a live sale because we're so close to Christmas. You definitely, well, you most likely will not get this before Christmas. And, you know, I paid up for this, so I'm going to have to charge a pretty good amount for it. So I just don't know. You guys let me know. Would you like to see this in a live sale? Now, as I always say, you can always reach out to me via email or send me a DM if you see something that you're interested in any haul video. So if you're interested in this, definitely reach out. I think it's phenomenal. I'm just going to kind of pan over it so you can see all the beautiful details. It's just, I love the color. I love this style. I did pick up another manger scene. It did not include a manger that I sold on Instagram. And this one is just, I don't know, I feel like it's a little more special. I think it has more figurines. And of course, I love all the animals. There's 3 sheep here. There's the cow. There's this cute donkey. Let me show you the donkey because he deserves to be shown. So cute. Now, these are not hand signed, but I haven't done any research to find out if I can, you know, determine who the artist is. Whoever did these did a phenomenal job, though. I have to say that. I mean, look at that The angel's amazing. I love every piece in this set. And like I said, I think the manger looks really, really good. What do you guys think? Okay. I'm going to show you the other Mexican pottery pieces I got. These are tonala, and this is a pair. I don't know, are they doves maybe? Quail? I'm not quite sure what they are, but they're phenomenal. They do have a white base, which is kind of unique. They are signed. I'm not sure what that signature is. It looks like an X something. So I'm going to have to find out a little bit more about that. It does say Mexico. Now, these are older tonala pieces. There's some crazing on them. It's not bad. It's just from their age. Other than that, they're perfect. And I love them. Very, very cool. Then I did pick up this other one. And this is more of a, gosh, maybe a songbird of some sort. Not really sure. This one is beautiful as well. This one, I think it just says Mexico. Let me see. I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Yeah, this one just says Mexico, but isn't he fantastic? I love the flower and the color on him. Just phenomenal. Behind him is a little, I'm assuming this is made in Japan. Not quite sure. I think it's a bunny. I don't know what he's holding. I like to think he's holding a heart maybe. I like how one eye is closed and the other is wide open. This one definitely has some age to it as well. There's some crazing, but you know, he's in great shape otherwise. I think he's really cool with the crazing, to be honest with you. And I love that expression. So, so cute. Okay, then I got this. This is really cool. This is a wooden hand-painted box, and this is also Mexico. It's this orange tabby cat, and you can see here it does open up. I'm not going to try it right now, but I'm sure you get it. Looks like there's some sticker remnant on the bottom. Anyway, I think he's phenomenal. Look at his face. He is so, so cute. And he's just really well done. Whoever made him did a great job as well. And then I got these 3 trivets. These are hanging on a wall in a kitchen. And I saw them and I thought, I need to get those. Well, I mean, there's an owl, so of course I did. But I'm going to sell these as a set. There's a butterfly, an owl, and a turtle. And these definitely are vintage. They do say Taiwan, as you can see here. I think they were just really cool. Just iron trivets. Which one is your favorite? I kind of like the butterfly. I'm sorry, Mr. Owl. I can't believe I'm saying that. The turtle's pretty cool, too. So anyway, I was, you know, standing on my tippy toes getting these off the wall because, well, I had to. Then I picked up this L.A. Smith Amberina basket, and boy, does this glow. Get ready. Okay, guys, look at all the cadmium in here. Look how it lights up. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. This is Moon and Stars. As you can see, it's lighting up on the handles as well. Just a really, really nice piece. It does have a little bit of scratching in the bottom, you know, which just means it was loved. It was used for something, and I think it's phenomenal. It just lights up like crazy. It's just beautiful. Okay, and now I'm going to go over to this other Amberina. Now, this is a hand-blown vase, and this one also has a lot of cadmium in it. Look at how it lights up around the rim and there on the bottom. I'm assuming this is probably mid-century. It's just beautiful. I know some of you like your crackle glass, and I know most people like Amberina, and I think this is just a perfect example of both. I have not seen one like this before. Let me show you the bottom as well. The punto mark is here. Just a really, really cool vase. I love it. I'm going to show the glow one more time just because it's a great glow as well. Beautiful. Then over here, this is kind of different for me. I picked up 2 perfume bottles, and I have to admit, I got them just because I thought they looked cool. I like this double snake design. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I am assuming this is a French perfume. It is Niki de Saint Fall. I'm probably butchering that. Paris. I just thought the bottle was really cool. And I know a lot of you collect perfume bottles and atomizers, etc. So I thought I would go ahead and get these. Now, this one is really cool. This is a high-heeled boot, and this one has most of its high-heeled shoe, I should say. and most of a leg, or part of a leg. But it's got these really pretty rhinestones on it. And I'm trying to remember what this one was. Casma perfume. It's out of New York. How cool is that? I just thought it was really unique, and I love the bottle, so I went ahead and got that. Then I got this cobalt blue fish. I just thought he was really pretty, and I'm drawn to blue now, thanks to Gina and those of you that collect it. If I see it, I'm always going to pick it up. Really pretty. Then I got these two kitties. These are Enesco. And it's just a mama kitty and her baby. I just thought they were really sweet. I love the eyes on these two. How cute. Here is the Enesco on the bottom, 1988. Really, really cute and excellent shape. Then I got these. So these are some hand-blown fish. Not sure what kind of fish they are, but I think they're really cute. So there are 6 total. It'd be nice if I could count. And I just thought they were really cute. One of them is a crab, and one of them is a narwhal, which I, of course, love. Look at him. I'm assuming it's a narwhal. Kind of looks like a horn, right? So some of these have these domes or balls attached. So I'm not sure if this was part of something bigger or if somebody was doing something crafty with these. I just don't know. But they're missing, so there's 4 of the domes, and 2 of them are attached to one of these sea creatures, but 2 of them are loose. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but I thought they were really cute, and I thought I'd pick them up. Really unique, especially that crab and the narwhal. I'm just going to call him a narwhal. Okay, then, oh, I didn't show this. This is just an old bottle. I don't think I've researched it. I don't remember if I looked it up. I don't think so. Electric tonic. Just a cool little bottle. I like that it's red. Okay, then I picked up this. This, I'm assuming is a fur clip. It's got these pearls on it. It has a sleeve design here. Here is the back. I mean, I guess technically it could be a shoe clip as well. Oh my gosh, excuse my nails, guys. But I just thought it was really cool. I love the design of this. I love how these pearls are kind of like a 3D effect. I just thought that was really cool. And it definitely has some age to it, as you can see. Then I got this. Now, this may wait until a St. Patrick's Day sale. I'm not quite sure. This is a vintage brass. It needs to be clean. Luckily, I do have Brasso. For 4-leaf clover. And on the back here, it's kind of just like a good luck wish, and it was hanging on the wall. Just leave it here so you can read it. I just thought it was cool. So I went ahead and got it. Then, okay, so this may be weird, and I hope that this doesn't creep anybody out, but I picked up this pair of little wooden mice. It's not going to focus. Focus, little mouse. There we go. They have like leather ears and tails, so there's one of them. There were only 2. I just thought they were kind of cute. Okay, here's the other one. There we go. Yeah, I don't think that'll creep anybody out, but if it does, I apologize. Then I picked this up. Now, this may just be an eBay item. I've never tried to sell anything like this in a live sale, but I thought it was cool. It's this purple dragon, and I do believe, yeah, and he does have those slots there, so I definitely do think he's an ashtray. I think the effect is that he's looking into this pool of water, and he sees his own reflection. I just thought it was cool. I'm a fantasy nerd, and he was in good shape, so I went ahead and got this dragon. I thought I'd show you guys, and you know, it probably has a pretty good resale value on eBay. I have a couple friends that might enjoy this too, so I might give it to somebody for Christmas. I'm not quite sure yet, but I thought it was cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I'm sorry there was no shop-along footage. It was impossible for me to try to get footage at these estate sales. And again, I hope you guys can make it to our sale this afternoon, 5:30 Eastern on Gina's channel. We're going to have a lot of fun. And as usual, I want to thank you guys for your support. If you can please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, share. You know the drill. It all matters. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Love ya. Bye.